Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. If you notice my energy level's a little low, it's because, well, owning an automobile comes with its stresses and problems. And unfortunately, the AT4, something's broke down. So stick around and we'll see if we can fix it. Let's go. So you're probably wondering what broke, but you know what? We have a beautiful day today. I'm just going to back the truck up a little bit so I have a little more space, and then we'll see what's broken. Now the thing that's broken or malfunctioning is under the hood, so we just got to pop it. So notice anything different? We got our catch can there, intake. Oh, seems a little dim in here. Look at those LEDs just barely turning on. This was one of the most essential, easy upgrades to do on this truck, and it failed, and it's the hood pin. So we're gonna replace a hood pin today. So here's the culprit right here. This is our hood pin. I knew after a while it'd get kind of corroded at the bottom, and that's what's happening. You have to twist it and wiggle it and pull on it now just to get it to make a good connection. Unfortunately, you're not gonna wanna do that and fiddle with this thing for, well, there, we got it there. You're not gonna wanna do that in real life circumstances, so let's just replace it. Unfortunately, there's not a bunch of different hood pins on the market, so I think I have the same type of hood pin we're gonna replace it with, but that should give us another, maybe 6 to 9 months. So I got the new hood pin here, but don't worry, this video is not going to be just about me replacing the exact same hood pin. I wanted to give you a couple updates and just talk about some of the future plans for the truck. But first, I do have to replace this, so we might as well just get it done. Unfortunately, just having a hard time getting the wire off of the bottom. Oh, there we go. Right when I said it, that's when it came off. So we'll just loosen this one. There, look at the corrosion on that one there. It's like black. Here's the new one. I'm not sure if you can see that, if it's focusing. Maybe, yeah. Okay, well, let's put this one in. Now we'll just plug our wire back in the bottom. Yep. Okay, let's close the hood and see if we've got it adjusted properly, and then we'll talk about some truck updates. Yeah, right there it's off. You can see in here it's off, and I will lift it up. So you can see it was off. Then it comes on. Off, on. You see that? Off, on. So there we go. We got all the brightness for all those activities. A workable light. Good upgrade. Link to it on Amazon. I'll leave in the video description. But let's talk about some truck updates. It's starting to sprinkle out. I'm just going to pull the truck in a little further and tell you what these updates. So we're going to talk about the elephant in the room. If you haven't been living under a rock and watching this channel, then you would have seen that I got some new wheels. We got these really nice Brink wheels, Barracks they're called. I like them. I wanted more of a utility. These are military inspired look. I think we've achieved that. I wanted something unique. Now I know that some of you think now the black doesn't match, and you think that the red tow hooks and it's just not quite working. I know that. It's in progress. I can't just go and buy everything all at once and do a build and then sell it and move on to the next thing. That's not what this channel is so much about. I buy vehicles, daily drivers, and we play with them and we try to customize them, and I hope that is of some value to you because I think it's more relatable. Anyway, these wheels are just the start of a new phase, if you will. we're going to make this truck look a lot different. This box cover is going away, just as an example. I have badges right now that are black, but maybe we can go old school back to our roots and do some bronze hyperdip. I think this bronze hyperdip is actually pretty close to the color of the wheels. So that's right, in an upcoming video, we are going to do the front and the back logos again, but we're gonna get rid of the black and we're gonna go with the bronze hyperdip. So trust me, stick around, you'll wanna subscribe, you'll wanna keep liking these videos so we can keep the channel growing and we can keep doing projects like this, and this is just the beginning. You know, I have a lot of vehicles like the BMW here, we have the Escalade there, both have full wraps on them, but we haven't really done a lot of wrapping to this truck. So hint, hint, maybe there's something coming there. If you have suggestions, if we did a full wrap on the AT4 or some combination, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Do we go with a satin black? Do we go with a brushed metallic? Do we go with something completely different, a blue? I don't know. I have some ideas personally, but I'm curious what you think. But this is, again, just the start of making the truck look different. So I hope you stick around. I'm gonna keep this video short, but if you like seeing that hood pin being replaced, then that was just for you. But I just can't answer all of the comments as they come in. I'd love to, it takes a long time. So I thought I'd give you this little update and kind of let you know what I'm thinking when it comes to changing the truck. Then maybe you'd appreciate that. So not everything is gonna be a full DIY video. Trust me, there's gonna be a lot more. There's gonna be a lot of product reviews. This is gonna be a good year. I promise you that. So hopefully you'll like hearing these updates. Hit that like button. Please consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber. Let's help this channel grow. Talk to you next time.